I know you don't want to cover that beautiful camera lens, but sometimes you just have to. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Caseology's tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Currently they're unavailable, but you can pick these up on Amazon for generally around $10. But I know this camera module looks nice and all, but this is a tempered glass screen protector for that module, just in case you need that extra protection, because believe me, they do crack. I have cracked mine before. You are provided with two of these, so bam, let's go ahead and pull this out. Voila, look at this bad boy right there. So it is very thick, and it is, I believe it's plastic if I'm not mistaken. So it is going to protect those camera lenses if you drop your iPhone or anything like that. First thing first, you just want to peel the back, bam, like that, and it's just gonna align itself because they go into, as you can see, it just goes right in there, and you peel back the protective film off, and voila, look at that, bam, look how thick that makes it. But if you're looking for some protection there and want to completely make sure your device is 100% protected and covered, you can go ahead and pick one of these up from Caseology. I'll leave the link in the description below to their website and the Amazon link. But currently I think they're out of stock. I'm not sure if they're going to restock them, but if you're looking for something like that, most likely check out Caseology. They look good. One thing to notice is it is black because the flash would not interfere with you taking pictures with flash. Sometimes when you get the clear ones, the flash will wash out the picture itself because the light reflects through the whole tempered glass screen protector, and this does not do that. And look at that bad boy. Let's get a case real quick and see how it looks with a case on, and bam, look at that. That thing is huge, but it does add an extra layer of protection. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions regarding this tempered glass screen protector for the camera module for the iPhone 13 Plus, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. This was just a quick video. Link to this product will be in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.